In this video, we are going to see how to fix CS2 black screen error. First step, open Steam, click it, click Library option, click CS2, right click it, click Properties, click General option, under Launch option, remove the commands, then move on with next step, click Install Files, click Verify Integrity of the game file and wait for some time. Is actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Successfully validate, close it, then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, select Change Settings, scroll down, search for CS2 and Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application itself not having means you need to add the application. Check it. If the application is not having means click allow another app in the bottom side. Click it and click browse and you can add it. Add in the bottom side. Once adding after enable both private and public and click OK in the bottom side. Then move on with next step. Click this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. 15 to 20 GB recommended memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Wait for some time, it's actually scanning your C drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Restart the device. Thank you.